Illegally detained senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Shabbir Shah has urged the United Nations and International Criminal Court to prosecute India for crimes including ruthless killings, arbitrary arrests, fake encounters, and eviction of local people from their houses and demolition of their properties in the occupied Kashmir. Shabbir Shah, in his message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, greeted the Muslims of Jammu and Kashmir and elsewhere in the world the holy month of Ramadan and asked them to remember the oppressed Kashmiris in their prayers. Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force along with police provided special weapon training to terrorist gang raised in the name of village defense guards by the Modi regime across Jammu region. More than 300 village defense guards have been trained by the Indian paramilitary force in just a small town Kallakot of Rajouri district over the past few weeks. Jammu and Kashmir Awami Action Committee has expressed deep grief over the demise of Gul Mohammad Kuche, a close relative of the AAC former General Secretary GM Butt and the father-in-law of the organization's activist Muhammad Yusuf Butt. Awami Action Committee, in a condolence message on behalf of its incarcerated chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq, paid rich tribute to Gul Mohammad Kuche, a resident of Hamhama Airport, for his social services. Grand Mufti Nasirul Islam has called for the release of senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq, Maulana Abdul Rashid Daudi, and other religious scholars who are currently detained in different jails of India and the territory. Mufti Nasirul Islam made the demand in a statement issued in Srinagar on Tuesday morning following a lengthy meeting of the religious scholars. Extremists associated with the Hindutva organization have threatened with dire consequences students from the occupied Kashmir for offering prayers at the university campus in Mathura district of the Uttar Pradesh. Activists of the Hindutva organization All India Hindu Mahasabha demanded an action against the students. They even threatened to perform Shuddhikaran, the purification process in the campus, if the university fails to take any action against the Kashmiri students. Unidentified persons chopped scores of apple trees in two different areas of South Kashmir's Islamabad district. The locals told media men that during the intervening night of Sunday and Monday, miscreants damaged apple orchards belonging to several families in Kandipura and Bijbihara areas of the district. Zafar Qureshi, chairman Kashmir Campaign Global, has said that the people of occupied Kashmir need urgent attention of the United Nations Human Rights Council to attain the right of self-determination, the basic human right. While addressing the 52nd session of the Human Rights Council in Geneva, Zafar Qureshi said since 2019, when India unilaterally scrapped Jammu and Kashmir's special status, New Delhi has drastically intensified repression of rights in the occupied territory. Pro-Khalistan organization Sikh for Justice has warned India against holding the G20 meeting in Uttarakhand's Ramnagar town, which will be a part of the Sikh future state after being freed from India. The head of Sikh for Justice, in his recorded messages, announced to raise Khalistani flags at airports, railway stations and other areas during the meeting days in Uttarakhand. The move is meant to internationalize the Khalistan issue.